Oh.
Thanks, Natasha. I'm just interested, you said there was a 30% decrease in the Miombo woodland recently.
In the last 10 to 15 years, the thing is that the last estimation was from the 90s, if someone knows. So the 2.7 million was very old. And what we updated for the book, we updated the estimations, it says 1.9.
Mm-hmm. So and what pressure is causing that level of decrease?
Yeah, I think there's several factors. And I would say probably human population increase, and with that, infrastructure, urbanization, settlements, everything. It's I would say it's probably developing infrastructures, but then you have also agriculture, which is expanding because it's subsistence agriculture, but since human population is decreasing, the areas are also increasing, and the fallow periods are reducing. So there's not enough time for the Miombo to catch in some places.
Great, thank you.
Great, we need to move on.
Okay.